Unlocking English Idioms. What does Hare mean? Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the interesting world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll be unraveling the phrase, Hare. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and learn how to use it effectively. The phrase, Hare, derives from the behavior of hares, wild animals similar to rabbits. Hares are known for their speed and erratic behavior, especially when they try to evade predators. When someone says, Hare, they are usually referring to moving quickly or behaving unpredictably. Now, let's look at some examples to better understand how to use this phrase. 1. I was late for the meeting, so I had to hare it across the office. 2. When the rain started pouring, everyone began to hare it to find shelter. 3. Instead of answering the question directly, he decided to hare it with a confusing response. From these examples, it's clear that hare it can refer to both physical movement and unpredictable or hasty behavior. There are other idioms in English that convey the idea of speed or unpredictability. For example, make a beeline for, this means to go straight for something without any delay. Fly off the handle, this indicates a sudden outburst of anger or emotion. While these idioms are related in meaning, hare it is unique because it emphasizes both speed and unpredictable action. There you have it. The phrase, hare it, is a fun way to describe fast and often unpredictable actions or decisions. Just like many English idioms, it paints a vivid picture that can make your conversations more colorful. We hope this video has been enlightening, and remember, the next time you're in a hurry or see someone acting hastily, you can say they're haring it. Happy learning!